Harini, Information System Manager of Farmers Corporation and Co. Today I am going to give presentation on Smart Shopping Trolley, which has been implemented as a pilot-based project in various grocery stores in and around the world. I am given this opportunity to share the details and propose this Smart Shopping Trolley in New Zealand. First, let us see the overview of presentation. So today we are going to see what is the need of Smart Trolley, how Smart Trolley works, hardware and software requirements of Smart Shopping Trolley system, impact of Smart Shopping Trolley on business process, cost and benefit analysis, sensitivity analysis, conclusion and recommendations. So first let us go to know the need of Smart Shopping Trolley. Flow of customers visiting our store has rapidly increased in these years. Because of the heavy rush, customers are facing problems in finding their required items, to know the price of the items and to pay the bills. In order to overcome the above problems, Smart Shopping Trolley provides a better solution with low cost and scalability. So now let us go and look on how Smart Shopping Trolley works. So the entire product information of a particular store is stored in a central server database. Whenever customer enters the shop and moves along with the cart, the IR receiver and microcontroller chips trace the alley code. Using the Zigbee wireless, this alley information code is sent from shopping cart to the server. All this information is stored in temporary database and product information is shown on the LCD screen. Each and every product has RFID tags, and whenever the customer purchases a product, the RFID reader on the trolley reads the product information and display the price and add on the cost of every product purchased. Customers are also given a provision to modify their billing by adding or dropping the products. Customer can easily locate his required item by entering the name on the trolley using the smart keypad which is provided. Customer can pay the bill and entire information is stored on the centralized database server. So what are the hardware and software that are required for Smart Shopping Trolley? So various hardware requirements of this trolley are: it requires LCD display screen and a smart keyboard, RFID reader, power supply and Zigbee wireless. So the next comes the software requirements. We need SQL Server database to store the product information, and we need Visual Basics for front-end display and an embedded C for hardware programming. So now let us go and see how the Smart Shopping Trolley impacts the business process. It impacts the business process in the following ways, in the following domains. In HR, using the Smart Shopping Trolley, it reduces the staff of the grocery store. But in the same way, it increases the need of technically trained people. While going to sales and marketing, it increases the sales of a store, and effective marketing can be implemented by flashing the deals on the LCD screens of the trolley. In finance and accounting, though certain initial capital investment is required, this capital investment can be recovered in next coming years. Current and proposed systems should be integrated by a centralized billing system helps in effective accounts management. This centralized inventory management system can be used to analyze the sales rate and calculate profits periodically. The production impact using the Smart Shopping Trolley is training should be provided to existing staff on the new system, which is cost effective. With efficient implementation and maintenance of a smart trolley, the production of the store will automatically rise. When it goes to the customer's impact, customers should be in a position to acquaint the latest technology, and there should be staff to assist the customers. Next we shall go to costs and benefits. So we can anticipate the cost of the system, as there will be increase in the cost for technically training the staff, and it also increases maintenance cost of the server and database. It requires initial investment on hardware and software requirements. Though the initial investment is high, but it has the following benefits. Once the customer gets acquainted, it's very easy to use the Smart Shopping Trolley. Smart Shopping Trolley increases the security of products. It helps in effective and efficient management of transactional data. It reduces operational costs. And now let us see which parts of the world has implemented this Smart Shopping Trolley. Fujitsu released pilot-tested Smart Shopping Trolleys in Australia's biggest supermarket called Safeway. And another technology provider called Loblaw Technology launched the Smart Shopping Trolley in Toronto-based retail supermarket. So now let's analyze the cost benefits. We have conducted cost-benefit analysis. This financial model calculated the payback period, net present value, internal rate of return, and profitability index. So here the payback period is 4 years, and the net present value is 8.50 millions, and the internal rate of return is 22.39%, and profitability index is 2.31. These results show the benefits of the project. So there are higher chances of project to be successful. Please refer to the spreadsheet for clear picture of these calculations. When we go for the sensitivity analysis, I have considered 3 scenarios, where in the first scenario I increased the discount rate to 20% and then calculated the payback period. So it resulted in 4.41 months, and the net profit value resulted as 2 millions, and the internal rate of return as 22%, and profitability index as 2.46. And then in the second scenario, I increased the sales rate by 10%. So then the payback period is 3.72 years, net profit value is 10 million, internal rate of return is 25%, and profitability index is 2.53. And in the third scenario, the cost of the capital is increased by 10%, and here the payback period is resulted as 3.19 years, net profit value is 21 million, internal rate of return is 42%, and profitability index is 4.13. When you consider all these three scenarios, the payback period is short and the net profit value is more with the higher rate of return. So it is indirectly meant that this project will be successful even if it is considered in the positive, that is the pessimistic and the optimistic ways. So when we come to the conclusions and recommendations, though there is an initial investment, but as we have seen in the costing and financial modeling, that we achieve all the investment with a lower payback period, I thoroughly recommend this proposal of Smart Shopping Trolley. For further queries, you can contact me. Thank you.